Assalamu alaikum guys, what's up? So I hope are you doing well in your sweet home. So guys, in this video I will show you very futuristic and very beautiful truck. Yes, this words is so small for this truck. So this truck is so amazing. This finishing is most wonderful and cool, made in Tamaya. This company name is Tamaya. So this is a futuristic truck, and let me explain in this truck. So if you can buy this truck, so first of all I tell you this truck by the link below my description. So easy way to click the link and buy these gadgets. Second of you can buy these gadgets, so you are receiving a box, in which box you want to receive one divided 14 Scania 77S tractor truck kit and scale driver figure, one remote control available in this box, and declare sheet instrument manual. So these box available gadgets are you receive in your home if you can buy these gadgets. So this gadget so amazing. I'm also told about it, very futuristic and so amazing in the way of mode racing. So many features are available in remote, and many features are available in the kit. This feel is very realistic. I will show the kit of Serenia truck, but this is लगता है बिल्कुल जैसे रियल का सीरीना ट्रक है. So subscribe my channel, bell icon almost click, and video share, like, subscribe.